Hi, I've got my copy of Suite 2018 open. I've got a camera there and I've placed a soffit with a rug on it and a dining table. There's what it looks like. Now, how did I do that? Okay. In Suite, this is a soffit. Let me open the dialog box. You can see I made it 4 by 8. This is an arbitrary that I picked. And I set the floor to bottom as 3/8, and the height of the object is 3/8. I guess this probably ought to be 3/8 as well. There's no floor in this. Let me put a floor in here. Let's draw some walls around this. Okay, then we'll go back to the. I've got base mold around the. That's fine. I'm going to go over here and I don't want the base mold around it, so I'm just going to delete that. So it looks like a rug. Okay, now how did I do that? Okay, I'm going to delete this soffit. I placed this here from the library browser. I'm trying to open it. Won't open. Okay, I'm going to explode the architectural block. So I got rid of the bounding box around it. Didn't change the appearance of it. I don't know why that's missing, but no big deal. I'm going to go to the soffit tool up here. Take this. We'll make it 60. Doesn't matter. 60. The height to be 3/8, and the depth would be 96 inches, and the materials would be. I'm just going to type in rug, R-U-G, and let it. So I'll use a different rug this time. Now, when you take this and just drag it, well, okay, it didn't. Well, in the earlier versions, you'd have to press the control key to put it underneath a piece of furniture. I guess they fixed that in the latest version. Oops. Oh, what's that doing on the ceiling? Ah, I see. Needs to be 0. That looks better. Okay, and there you have it. It's pretty simple and straightforward. Soffit tool is used for a lot of different things other than the base definition of soffit, which would be a fur down over a cabinet. But this is another use for it in Suite. Thanks for watching.